Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to place an ad on eBay Classifieds. Whether you're looking to sell a vehicle, some real estate, or even advertising a job opening, eBay offers a user-friendly platform to reach potential buyers in your area. This method is particularly useful if you want to sell locally, avoid shipping complications, or connect directly with interested buyers. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to ebay.com and log into your account. It's crucial to ensure that you're using a secure and familiar network when entering your credentials to avoid any security issues. Using public Wi-Fi or an unfamiliar network can put your account at risk, so make sure you're on a trusted connection. Once logged in, locate the Sell option at the top of the homepage. Clicking this will redirect you to a new window where you can start creating your listing. This section acts as your control center for creating, managing, and tracking all your ads, whether they're for vehicles, property, or other classifieds. Next, you'll want to navigate over to the Listings option. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Hover over this section until you see Create Listing and click on it. This is your gateway to setting up your classified ad, and it ensures that your item is categorized correctly for buyers to find it easily. Once you're on the Create Listing page, you'll need to describe the item you wish to advertise. In the search bar, type in the name of the item you plan to sell. It's important to note that eBay offers a specific classified ads format for categories such as real estate, vehicles, and jobs. This means that, unlike regular listings, you'll set a price, but buyers will contact you directly to finalize the transaction outside of eBay's platform. For example, if you're selling a car, potential buyers can reach out to ask questions, arrange inspections, and negotiate directly with you. After typing in your item details, go ahead and click on the search button. This action helps eBay provide you with the best matching categories for your item. If no exact match surfaces, don't worry. Simply click on Continue Without Match to proceed. Proper categorization is important because it ensures your ad reaches the right audience and improves visibility in search results. At this point, it's time to decide on the condition of the item you're listing. For a new item, select the New option. This is important for setting customer expectations and ensuring transparency, which helps build trust with potential buyers. Accurate condition details can also prevent unnecessary questions or misunderstandings later. Next, you'll find the Continue to Listing button. Click on this to move forward in the process. This step takes you to a more detailed listing setup, where you'll have the option to adjust the specifics of your ad, such as adding high-quality photos, including contact information, or highlighting key features. For example, if you're selling a home, adding clear photos of each room and highlighting nearby amenities can make a big difference in attracting serious buyers. Scroll down to the pricing section. This is where you should select Classified Ad. This step ensures that your post will be listed correctly under the Classified Ads category, rather than as a standard auction or fixed price listing. Classified ads are especially useful for higher value items or transactions that require buyer-seller negotiation. Following this, you'll need to set the duration of your ad. Choose how long you'd like your advertisement to run based on your selling strategy and urgency. Typically, you can select from a few days up to a month. Longer durations can give your ad more exposure, while shorter durations can create urgency for quick sales. Finally, don't forget to set your advertised price. Consider researching similar items in your area to competitively price your product. Competitive pricing not only attracts more potential buyers, but also positions your listing for faster responses, while still ensuring your pricing strategy meets your selling goals. And there you have it. You've just placed your ad on eBay Classifieds, opening doors to connect with interested buyers directly. Consistent monitoring of your ad and responding promptly to inquiries will help ensure a successful selling experience. Whether you're selling locally or exploring options for your Shopify store inventory, these strategies can help maximize visibility and sales.